Hey friends, and welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. Hi, what's up? What's happening? So I wanted to do a quick project share of some swaps that I am involved in over on a Facebook page. And so before we start digging into what I created, make sure you hit that subscribe button, all right? Hit it and hit that bell so you do not miss out on my future uploads. And make sure you get this video a big thumbs up. So let me show you what I created. So both the swaps that I'm participating in are hosted over on the Facebook page, Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And the first swap that I'm going to show you is hosted by Robyn Pitts, who is Robyn Pitts, Sir Rocco. Robyn Pitts, Sir Chauncey Rocco. I believe that's how it goes. Either way, I'll have her link down below in the description box. This is something that she had did for her, let me think. It was her Halloween thing that she had did with Michelle Randolph. And so now we're doing it as a Christmas version. Now the box was originally created by Kristianne, who's Kristianne's Crafty Adventures, and then Robyn just kind of revamped it a little bit, especially for the swap. So the swap was to do this little suitcase with 4 compartments, and then I'll show the different things that we were supposed to put in the compartments, and then we're also supposed to create a matching 5x7 card. So here is my suitcase. Wasn't she cute? Okay, we'll go into details with that in a second. We'll go ahead and show you the card. You know, cards give me anxiety, and yeah. So this is the card, and here are the stickers I put on here. It says 'tis the season. I used Holly Jolly, not to be confused with Holidays, that is new for this year. Holly Jolly, it was last year from Simple Stories. And here's my card. It says have a holly jolly Christmas, and then I did some Winkastella on the letters here, added some little sequins, have a flower, did a paper ruffle, and then on the inside I used a border punch because I don't like a naked inside. And then I also added some stickers there, and they still have room to add their sentiment or put a stamp on there. And so that is the card. Now on to the star of the show, and this is still remotely flat-ish. Y'all know I can't do flat. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why I try. And then here is this. Oh my gosh, isn't she cute? So I'll link down below both Kristianne's tutorial and then also Robyn's tutorial. She did do it for her Halloween thing that she just recently had done. But like I said, I think the main difference is the compartments that are on the inside. So again, I used Holly Jolly. I did paper ruffle, and then I also added the red snowball trim from Dollar Tree. And you know I love adding my little gold thread from Hobby Lobby. And then these flowers here are for my girl, Monica, who's scrapping for my boys. She just had a sale recently, so I hope you grabbed some. And then added the fa la 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 la, and I also did some Winkastella on there. I did some little gold spray on the flowers just to make them pop. And then I added a little red bow at the top here, and this is from Vanessa, who is Sparkling Ghoul. And then I do have a thumb notch, and so she opens up like this. And so we were supposed to, I'm still going to add like some little decorative pieces in there so it's not all naked and whatnot. But I didn't want to have to deal with it while I was showing you guys. And so the first one, we were supposed to either put like Nuo drops or stickles or something of that nature in the first container. So I added some stickles here, and they're so tiny. So I went ahead and I added 2. You know, it is the season of giving, guys. And then we were also to add beads, and what I did was I created a acetate cover, so then that way during transport the beads aren't going all over the place. I didn't want to just put it in a baggie, and I for sure didn't want to have the beads being all loose, and so that's why I did the acetate cover. And then I just have various different beads in there, and then just to kind of jazz it up a little bit, I put in these little mini present bows in there. And then the next one, we were supposed to do like trim or ribbon. And so I added some lace trim around clothespins. And so I have like a little cream color, and then I have white. And then the last one, we could add whatever we wanted to add in there. So I did these cute little bows. This one has a candy cane center, and this one has a little peppermint candy center. And then I also added a sequin mix, and I got these from Geneva. And what I did was I took some red foam and I made it like kind of like icing, and then added some sequins on top, and then tied a ribbon on it. So it's like a little what is it called, ice cream? Oh my gosh. And then there is the fun sequin mix. So we have trees and pink and green and gold. We have like the little mini foam balls, candy canes, like all sorts of fun stuff that is in there. And I do have 2 of each of these bows. So that is the first swap that I'm participating in over on Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And then for the next one is hosted by Jenn. And oh my gosh, I am so in love with this so much. We were to create a elf boot, and it's using the 3D Witches boot and by Lori Whitlock, but just making it in a Christmas version. And I'm not sure if her tutorial is live, because usually when they do this, they'll have it just for swappers, and then they'll eventually publicize it so that everyone else can watch it. If it is, I'll have it linked down below. But oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh my goodness. And we were also to create a little page flag as well. So the paper that I used for this was gifted to me by Sharing More. I can't remember what the, let me see, do I have right here? Yep. So this is LDRS Creative, and it's called Mackenzie Christmas. I'm not sure where she got it. I know that this is an international company, but I'm not sure if she ordered it through a third party or anything like that. I would love it if you would tell me though, Ebony, because I definitely want more of this, because I am so in love with these papers. And oh my gosh, I just love how this turned out. Oh my goodness. So I did, you know, the eyelash trim from Dollar Tree. I made it into a pom-pom, so a little pom-pom in the front to emulate the whole elf boot. But I still kept the little, what's it called, the lacing portion in the front that is originally on the witch boot, and I added the ribbon here, and then again sparkling ghouls bow in the front there. And then here I added some white pom-pom trim to go around the edge, and added some little beads and teeny tiny bells on the back. And then I have a white snowflake, and then you know those little sprigs from Dollar Tree, added that on the background here. And I have Color Me Clay Tay's flowers here, and then again Monica's flowers, and then I did the same thing in the front here with the little sprigs and the snowflake. And then I did add stitching all the way around it. And then here is the back, and then there's that, and then I also added the stitching on the heel. And then again, we were supposed to make a little page flag, so I have some little beads here and a little peppermint, again with the little snowball trim. I have some ribbon straping down here with a bow. I took the foam balls you got from Dollar Tree and added them for the top and the bottom. Added some ruffle trim, and it says #Elfie with the little Santa hat sticker and some snowflakes on there as well. I'm telling you, this was so stinking fun to make. I absolutely love how this came out. And like, this will be a great like Merry Mail thing, like if you just want to send this and then like a couple treats inside the boot, like that'll just be too cute. Oh, and there goes my thread. Y'all know I love to add that on there too. So oh my gosh, I just love how this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And I hope whomever's going to be my partner will enjoy what I created as well. So thank you so much, Robyn, and thank you so much, Jenn, for hosting these swaps. I had a great time creating them. I hope you guys enjoyed my projects today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!